Tuesday, March 23rd, Skill 6, page 1. The table shows the weight in pounds of students in Coach Riff's gym class. So here's the students' weights, here's the weight, here's the number of students. So the first thing I want to do is I want to write my numbers on the sides of my tally. So this is 1, 4, 1, 2 tallies, 6 tallies, 5, 7, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Now I can answer my question. Coach Riff made this dot plot to show the weight of his students. The dot plot has a mistake. So let's go ahead and see where we have a mistake. So for 80, so let's go ahead and label these first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so now let's go ahead and look at our answer choices. Which of the following is the mistake Coach Riff made in his dot plot? A, there should be 5 data points on 85 instead of 4. So here's 85. 85 has 4 points, and it says there should be 5 data points. Well, no, this one is correct. 85 should have 4. So A is out. B, there should be 1 data point on 86. So here's 86 instead of 2. Well, let's look at 86. 86 has 2 data points. Well, there's 2 students, so this one's correct. 86 is correct, so that's not my mistake. Letter C, there should be 6 data points on 89 instead of 7. So here's 89, here's 89, 89 should have 7, and 89 has 7. So this one's also correct, so that one's out. Letter D, there should be 3 data points on 90 instead of 4. 90, here's 90, there's 3 students that got 90, and here we have a 4. So this one is wrong. So D is my answer. Letter B. The list gives information about the favorite sports of each of 27 girls. 3 girls chose swimming, 7 girls chose soccer, 5 more girls chose basketball than swimming, 2 fewer girls chose gymnastics than soccer. The rest of the girls chose softball. Okay, so you're going to have to do a little bit of work here. So we know that 3 girls chose swimming, 7 girls chose soccer. We don't have to do anything to those. Here, 5 more girls. So 5 more, we know we're going to have to add 5. So here, 5 more means that we're going to add 5. So 5 more girls chose basketball than swimming. So we need to look at our data for swimming. So for swimming, we had 3 girls that chose swimming. And it says 5 more girls chose basketball. So we have to do 3 plus 5. So what's 3 plus 5? 8. So we know that 8 girls chose basketball. Then it says here 2 fewer girls. So 2 fewer girls. So we know we're going to subtract 2. Chose gymnastics than soccer. So 2 fewer girls chose gymnastics than soccer. So we know that 7 girls chose soccer. And then 2 fewer girls chose gymnastics. So we have to take away 2 from 7. So 7 minus 2 is 7, 6, 5. So we know that 5 girls chose gymnastics. The rest of the girls chose softball. So what we have to do is, well, we know that 3 girls chose swimming. 7 girls chose soccer. Basketball was 8. And then gymnastics was 5. And the rest were softball. So we don't know, softball is a question mark. We know that there was a total of 27 girls. So we have a total of 27. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sports. We have 3, 7, 8, 5, and question mark. So we need to add these 4 up. So 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 5, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So we have 23. So these equal to 23. So now we have to subtract 27 minus 23. 7, 6 by 4. So 4 girls chose softball. All right, now let's find our frequency table that represents that. Okay, so for swimming, we have 3. Swimming has 3, 3, and 3. Oops, 3, 3, and 3. So we can't eliminate anything yet. So these are all correct. Swimming is correct. Let's go to soccer. 7 girls chose soccer. 5, 6, 7. Well, you know what? Let me write my numbers first. 7, 7, and 7. So soccer is correct. Basketball. This is 5. This is 8, 8, and 8. So basketball, we had 8 that chose basketball. So we know that this one is wrong. So F is out. This is 8, 8, and 8. And then we have gymnastics was 5 students chose gymnastics. Gymnastics was 5. This one has, well, that one's out. This one has 5. This one has 9. This one has 2. So we know that we can eliminate 9. We can, because our answer was for gymnastics, we had 5. So here's 5, 9, and gymnastics had 2. Our answer was H. And if we look over here, softball has 4. This one also has 4. This one has 7. This one has 0. So our answer is H. You will work on number 1, 2 on your own. You may look back at the others to see how we solved them.